Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable autoplay notifications in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing: there's no option to disable the autoplay notification. Disabling basically means that you're disabling autoplay itself. Now I'll tell you what happens. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side and select autoplay. The option for autoplay is on by default. What happens next depends on the option that you select here. So let's say that you select this option to ask me every time. It will notify you every time. If you select this option to open folder to view files, it will not specifically notify you, but it will straight away open the folder. So this is what they mean by notifications. Like if you are choosing the option to ask, it means notify, and if you're not choosing the option to ask, it will play or open the folder by default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.